Hey guys, well, just as you saw though, we did get some sleet late last night and then through early this morning. And this is what we got. Not as much as the storm last year, where there was so much on the roof, so much of it on the roof, and it all had frozen. I was so worried about it actually falling off the roof and crushing the cars. And so, not that much this time. This is probably all that we're gonna get. And they're even saying we could end up getting some more wintry weather this coming weekend. Just when it starts to become, just as we're coming up in March. So we're still not quite done with winter. Well, I thought this would be a perfect time to do a couple of cold starts. It'll be the two cars. Yep, my mother's car, a 2014 Mercedes-Benz GLK 250. And my car, which is also a 2014 model. So this is a Chevy Cruze 2.0 TD. TD means turbo diesel. And this is also a diesel. So this should be interesting. So I thought that this time we'll do my car first, since it's actually sat the longest. I haven't driven this thing since Friday. Well, actually into early Saturday morning when I got home from work. So it's been sitting for a couple of days. So it's not plugged in, which this one is not really equipped with a block heater, only unless, like if you do live up in the north, though, these will have block heaters on them. So I'll just go inside just to start it instead of doing the remote start. Also, let's see. Let's hope that the doors are not frozen. Well, let's see. Nope. That's nice. The door wasn't even frozen, just like the problems that I had with my Grand Am. Oh man, that was always annoying, because every time I would always have to try to unfreeze them, which was always a pain in the butt. No problem with this one. Oh. Ooh, yeah, it makes it dark in here with the windshield all covered up. Alright. And let's see. And of course, I'm going to do only just one glow plug cycle. Okay, so let's see here. Just wait for that light to go off. Oh, sorry. Let me turn that radio off. Alright, let's see what it does. It's been sitting since Saturday. Here we go. And start it up and no problem. Okay. Turn on the rear defrost and the front defrost. Cool. Let's see if any of the other doors are frozen. Nope, not this one. What about these two doors? These seem to have a little bit more ice on them. Ugh. Well, that one's frozen. Just my two doors on the right side are frozen. Oh well. That's okay. Okay, let's do the Mercedes. And let's hope if its doors are not frozen. My mother has had some problems with the doors on this getting frozen. Yep. Come on. That's something though. Since my car's a Chevy, I was able to open my door no problem. And this, a Mercedes? Really? There we go. Even with some of that rubber padding on it, it's kind of leaving a mark right here with it getting stuck like that. Okay, this thing was just running yesterday because I was ran a couple of errands in it. Okay, so has a push button, so just put my foot on the brake and hit the button. Oh yeah, started right up. I'm sure you saw right there on the dash there was a message saying service A in 25 days. So that means, yeah, this thing's gonna need a service real soon. Y'all probably didn't see what the mileage was. This car now has just a little bit under 8,000 miles on it now. Yeah, the engine's in fast idle mode. Actually. So since I'm in here, we'll go turn on its defroster. There we go. See, there's also a max defroster, which this will help it. On the front, it'll help it defrost a lot quicker. Well, it won't do that now since I just started the car. Let's see, and my dad just filled it up with diesel on Saturday. Yep. And as you can see, the ice is now starting to melt from the back window since I turned its rear defrost on. Sure, it does a good job on melting all that ice really quick. A little bit quicker than on the rear defroster on my car. Well, there's actually more sleet and ice on it, which that's probably why. We're back inside my car. I'll show you all the mileage on my car, what it has. It's got 4,380 miles. So I still got a long ways before I need to get this thing serviced. I can check my oil life. And there's how much air I have in my tires. Oh, 38%. That's my remaining oil life. Probably once I get to maybe between 20 to 10%, I'll probably bring this to the dealer and have them service it. So, yeah. So once again, this is another cold start, more kind of like an ice start with Sleet on my car and my mother's car, both 2014 year models, which my mother's car is a 2014 Mercedes-Benz GLK 250 Blue Tech, and then my car right here, a 2014 Chevy Cruze 2.0 TD. And so, yep. Alright, so I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and so, thanks for watching.